Yo, what up, everybody? Today we have another unboxing from a new company. Wow. And this was called MunchPak. Show them the pack box, Kyle.
I wonder if they have games in there.
Nah, it's like MunchPak. I guess it's like munchies, like snacks and stuff. If you haven't seen our Japan crate, which has all these Japanese snacks, these are, I guess they're American snacks, or just snacks that we've known. I don't know. I have no idea. The company contacted us and said, hey, you want a free sample of MunchPak and see if you like it and put it in your channel? I'm like, yeah, I like free stuff. Do you like free stuff?
Yes, that's
one. Yes, exactly. So they sent us a MunchPak. I'll put a link in the description below. Take a look at it, and then let's see what's inside this MunchPak. Alrighty.
I tried.
MunchPak just for you. Oh, okay, cool.
Oh my god.
Oh, let's smoke.
You gotta, like, pizza crackers.
Pizza crackers, original Lizette. Oh, I never had these before. They look like goldfish.
Yeah, I'm sure you never had those before.
Oh, yeah. These are like Step into a Slim Jim, but these are called Western Smokehouse Bacon. Mmm.
Bacon?
Mmm. Grab and go. And you peel it and go, and you bite it. Ooh, that was pretty good.
Well, here's some chocolate.
Tutku. Mosaic biscuit filled with coconut cream. Oh, look at that, guys. Cool looking snacks. Cool looking snacks.
The Nemo.
And they look like chocolate coated marshmallow and coconut biscuit. Oh my! Oh, they're like from the same company, ETI. I don't know, is it EDI? I don't know. But look, there's a look of it. Look. Let me show you something. Oh, look at this. Oh, I can zoom in. Oh, like that. Using the camera, my Sony. Oh, look at this. Now it's our face closer. Cool, look at it, Kyle. Oh. Alright, what's next?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, this is in, I believe, this one is written in Korean? Yeah, this is, no, Japanese? This is like Japanese.
Probably Japanese.
Look at that. I don't know what that is, but this is right here. Right there, yo. Right there.
You got some more stuff.
Oh, this is like the gum. This is like gum, some more stuff.
Hey, this thing's open.
Some neat looking snacks. Okay, so that's some, oh, it's upside down. Looks like a bottle. And you peel the top off, and this has these little round balls. Look at that. See that? See that right there? Oh, yeah. I love this camera.
We got a koala march.
Koala March.
Look at the bottom, it's open.
Oh, man.
They probably did something to us.
This is like oh, green tea. Oh, look at that.
You hate green tea?
No, I love green tea.
Green tea Kit Kat, you didn't like that.
No, I didn't like that one. But the green tea ice cream I always eat. See here? I guess it's like a cream-filled green tea koala bear. Man, there's a lot of junk in here. A lot of junk stuff to eat. Delige waffle. Oh, Belgian boys. Oh, look at that. Look at a little waffle right there.
A waffle to go.
Man, focus. Focus. Yeah, there you go. Focus, camera.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, man, these are the ginger candy. You can find these at the Asian markets, Asian supermarkets, and they have these ginger candy. I tried these before. They're not my favorite, but you're gonna try it.
Oh no, I am. You're not gonna force me to eat that, right?
I'm gonna force it in the throat. Oh, this looks good. Medenjak. Like a cookie with chocolate coated gingerbread with orange fruit filling. There we go, guys. Look at that. Oh, this last.
We got Pocky.
Last but not least. It's kind of like, it's like, oh my goodness. Sweet corn flavored Pretz artificial flavor. So this is like a Pocky, but they're corn. flavor.
I bet you're looking forward to that one.
Oh, okay. So which one you want, Kyle? Yeah, pick one, bro.
I'll take the waffle.
Okay, Kyle gonna do the waffle. I am. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this green tea. Koala. You got to eat one too.
Oh,
I'll
don't
take
get
one.
food poisoning from this.
Yeah, I got food poisoning. All right, here we go. This is the green tea koala.
Oh my god, they actually give you a what?
Wow, let's show them real quick how big it
It's
is.
just an actual.
Take it out. Take it out.
Just an actual waffle.
Wow, it is an actual waffle. And here's the koala.
Smells like banana kind of like.
Yeah, well, it smells like a cookie. Here's the koala with green tea. Right inside. Look at that. I want to see. Focus. Focus, camera. Okay. That is some good stuff. Oh. You gotta try it.
No,
You try
I'm not trying that.
We have to try it.
It just tastes like a waffle. Just a waffle. It's a waffle and go.
Oh.
It's not good. But it's okay.
It's not good, but
It's not good. It's not bad. It's okay.
doesn't it taste like a waffle? Oh. Alright, try this one.
Oh shoot! After seeing your reaction, I'm scared.
Try it, bro.
Oh, dog smell.
This smell. That smell. Just bite and swallow it.
Just go through. Just go. Oh, it's not that bad.
You serious?
Oh, I like it. It's good.
Alright, so thank you guys from MunchPak for sending us this cool stuff. Nothing else is inside of it. Yep. But I'll put a link in the of their website in the description below. Check it out. But this is kind of like Loot Crate. Every month you get something on some random stuff. So I get stuff from all over the world. It looks like from the U.S. to Japan or maybe in Korea. I don't know. Can't read it. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to smack the like button. And real quick, there's some cool content for you guys coming this Wednesday relating a game that uses a portal and it brings toys to life. We have about 6 to 7 videos for you guys regarding this game. You guys already know what that is. So, keep an eye on Wednesday. Can't say much, but some good stuff, yo. Good stuff. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the future. Peace.